Hi, I'm Arudhati and welcome back. Now that you've understood 3 things you must know before you start yoga, let's actually talk about your first yoga class and what to expect from it. You'll do many yoga poses. In your first yoga class, the instructor will take you through a variety of yoga poses. Some of these poses would be standing upright, lying down, sitting, or on your hands and knees. Some poses will be easy for you, while others will require a little more effort. You'll be told how to breathe. Yoga practice and breathing are closely interlinked. In fact, you can't really separate the two. In your yoga class, the instructor will tell you when to breathe in and when to breathe out. When you're new to yoga, it takes a little more time to understand this. In my next video, I'll be talking about breathing in detail, but know this, you do not need to hold your breath in a yoga class at any point. And if focusing on breath and the poses is too much, work on the poses, the breath will come with time. Start with silence and end with relaxation. There are many different styles of yoga out there, but most often all yoga classes begin with some form of silence. Usually you'll be asked to sit down, maybe close your eyes and learn to draw your focus inward towards your breath and disconnecting from everything else outside. Just by the simple act of closing your eyes, you take away so many distractions, making it easier to turn our focus inward. At the end of class, you'll usually do some supine guided relaxation. So you'll be lying down and the instructor will guide you through a very soothing, short, maybe 5 minutes relaxation. Okay, this is largely done to calm your nerves and you'll come out of it feeling really refreshed and vitalized. A few other things. Depending on what style of yoga you've opted for, there may be some chanting or the teacher saying namaste in your classes. These are wonderful aspects that have been woven into the fabric of modern yoga. I'll be doing a separate video addressing these later, but just know that these might show up in your yoga class. So that pretty much covers what to expect in your first yoga class. I really hope you do enjoy your first yoga class. In my next video, I'm going to talk about how to breathe correctly while doing yoga. Until next time, stay healthy. Bye.